Which formula did you use? Geometric?
Yeah.
Which geometric? Explicit. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Logan, read the directions for us, please.
Identify the number of terms, the common ratio, and G1 for each series, and compute each.
So the explicit formula is for a sequence. A sequence doesn't have a plus sign. So we're not going to be using the geometric explicit. Okay. Let's do this first, Logan. Can you help us identify the number of terms? Count for us. Ready, set, go.
4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So there are 6 terms. Julian, can you tell us why we use the letter G?
Because it's geometric.
How do you know it's geometric? It's what? Multiplying by what number? You can do it. Don't insult us. We're multiplying by -2. That doesn't say x minus 2, it means times. So our common ratio, Jocelyn, R is equal to what? Raise your hand if you got that so far. Joe, what is our G1 value?
1.
Our G1 value is 1. Again, I'm just doing what they tell me to do up here. Raphael, can you tell us the formula we should be using? Sn equals
times R minus G1 divided by R minus 1.
Raise your hand if you wrote down that formula. Now, if you're with your formula sheet out, it's actually possible to actually use both of those. Raphael chose to use this one, which is fine. Angel, what is your Gn value?
-32.
-32. Actually, now with instead of the n value, we can write 6 because there's 6 numbers in the series. Angel, your R value? Times -2 minus your G1 value? 1. And your R value? -1. Should I color coded those? Pink was G1. Remember, this negative sign is, or subtraction sign is just there. And then your R value we said was -2. Sienna, go ahead and simplify for us. The bottom is what? 2. So -2 minus 1? So you can put that in your calculator, -3 minus 1. Brittany, go ahead and simplify that. And when you divide, what do you get? Raise your hand if you got -21. So in this problem, just to review, read the directions. Identify the number of terms. You just count. Tells you the common ratio. This should be a hint. That's going to be geometric. It even tells you a second time it's geometric because it says G for geometric. Find the first value, then compute each. Recognize though, possibly on your quiz or test or on your homeworks, they will just say find the sum, and they won't tell you all those other small hints.